Hi there, I'm James from the Selling Guys. In this video, I'm going to review SmartScout, which is an Amazon sourcing tool for wholesale, arbitrage, and private label sellers. Amazon is pretty saturated now, and when you search for opportunities, you usually find out there are 50 other people selling the same product. The reason it's happening is that over 60% of sales on Amazon are now from third-party sellers. Amazon is growing, but so is the competition. There are more Chinese suppliers and big brands selling directly on Amazon, reducing profitable opportunities. Can SmartScout solve this problem better than rivals like Scout, Helium 10, AMZScout, etc.? I'll look at how SmartScout takes a different approach to sourcing, as well as what's included, plans and pricing, discount codes, and whether it's worth trying. So, how is SmartScout different? Most Amazon tools out there, like Helium 10 and Scout, use what we'll call the flashlight approach. You point your little flashlight at one single product or keyword. You check the demand, and then you check the competition. SmartScout takes the stadium lights approach. It lights up the whole field so you can see the entire market from the top down. You look at a brand or a category first, analyze the overall market, and then zoom in on specific winning products. So, how does the stadium lights idea work in the real world? First, you spy on broader ads and keywords to see where the money is actually moving. Second, you pick a highly specific subcategory. Third, you analyze the overarching brands competing in that space. And then finally, step 4, you drill down into the specific sellers to find out who's selling what and exactly how much they're making. It is a super structured way to find those hidden gems. Looking at the core features, the absolute foundational tool is the brand database. It tracks over 1.5 million brands currently on Amazon, and you can filter by revenue and category, and you can see the exact number of sellers on a listing and check how much stock Amazon has. If you're a wholesale seller hunting for brands to contact that aren't already saturated, this database is pure gold. You can easily find brands moving real volume that only have, say, 2 or 3 sellers. The Subcategories Explorer maps over 43,000 Amazon subcategories, giving you a bird's eye view of any niche. Let's say you want to get into sporting goods. Instead of just guessing if a single item like a pickleball paddle is a winner, this tool lets you analyze the entire pickleball subcategory in a matter of seconds. You get the estimated revenue, the market share of the top brands, and the competitive density of that whole niche. Next up is the traffic graph, which reverse engineers Amazon's frequently bought together algorithm to create a visual map. It shows you exactly how customer traffic flows from one product to another. If you're building pay-per-click ad campaigns, this lets you see which complementary products are driving traffic to competitors' listings, so you can target ads right in that traffic stream. It's essentially a visual map of actual shopper behavior. Other tools include the Ad Spy feature, which lets you uncover exactly what keywords your competitors are secretly bidding on. The Seller Map lets you search 1.5 million sellers globally, so you can see what the heavy hitters in your own backyard are doing. There's an AI listing architect to help you write optimized titles and descriptions, plus a highly detailed FBA calculator to estimate sales, and, most importantly, protect those profit margins.
Similar to the brand database, there is also the sellers database, where you can analyze over 1.5 million sellers, and the products database, where you can search data on over 20 million products. Keyword tools include RankMaker, which shows you how your product is performing in the top Amazon searches. The keyword ranking map helps you visualize how your product is ranking in different parts of the country for different terms. The Search Terms Explorer tool lets you see popular keywords that Amazon customers are actually searching for. There is also an excellent Chrome extension which is perfect for arbitrage. It brings a lot of the tools into the Amazon browsing view, which speeds up your research. There is also a UPC scanner feature, which helps you check products while outsourcing. Brand reports let you visualize how your brand or even competitor brands are performing, including revenue, market share, reviews, and keyword performance. You also get access to 2 excellent courses,
One covers wholesale, and one covers private label, with over 70 lessons in total. They have just added a couple of new features. The new AI Scorecard grades your product pages against Amazon's own internal AI framework to show how well your listings can be understood by search tools like Amazon Rufus. The AI Visibility Monitor tracks how often your products get recommended by ChatGPT, while the new Citations feature lets you see the exact websites, competitor links, and review blogs the AI is sourcing to build those recommendations. So, plans, pricing, and discounts. The basic plan starts at $29 a month, which is really just for beginners testing the waters. On the high end, the business plan is $187 a month, geared toward agencies and power users needing API access. We think the best option for most serious wholesale, arbitrage, and private label sellers is the Essentials plan at $97 a month. It gives you all the essential research and listing tools. With the exclusive discount code TSG25, you get 25% off your first 3 months. Use the link in the description to add this automatically. That brings the basic plan down to about $22, the Essentials down to around $73, and the business plan drops to $140 for those first few months.
So, how does SmartScout compare to the alternatives? Helium 10 probably has the most features and tools, and is great for private label keyword research, but it's expensive and has a low Trustpilot rating. SmartScout is better for wholesale and arbitrage sellers looking for brands to sell. SmartScout is fantastic for beginners who just want an easy-to-use tool focused on private label and is a fair price. If you need deeper brand and seller analysis, SmartScout is probably the better option. AMZScout is cheaper, but has a limited range of tools, mainly focused on product research. So, should you choose SmartScout? Will it help you build a successful Amazon business? It's a specialist tool for serious research, and we think it gives wholesale sellers looking for low-competition brand partnerships a big advantage. It's also perfect for online arbitrage buyers hunting for specific gaps in the market. If you are a beginner at private label, it might be worth considering SmartScout. But more established sellers can benefit from the product search, advertising, and keywords tools, and listing optimization. SmartScout gets decent feedback from users. Some have reported a steep learning curve with so much data, and it can take a couple of weeks to master. Once you get to grips with it, you can find unique opportunities that the other tools might miss. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. And if you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for joining me, and happy selling.